Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So we've got a couple of days now of an overall broad market rally. Depending upon when you're watching this video, it's still relevant. And here's where this is all coming down to. By the way, if you don't know me, my name's Austin Hilton. I have my own YouTube channel here on YouTube where I cover crypto, but I also support ClearCryptos in their channel as well, because I 1,000,000% believe in the vision of what ClearCryptos is setting out to do to completely positively revolutionize crypto. A lot more coming on that. But the point of this video is to talk to you about the current situation where we've had yesterday, today, and most likely continuing to look like we've got a pretty significant broad market green candle rally. Okay, and I want to talk about this in the context of what is going on, but also what to do and looking forward, and to kind of give you some perspective of some events that I see out in the future. I've been doing this for a long time, been investing in stocks for 30 plus years, been investing for crypto for quite a while as well. And I've been around the block a few times. So just trying to give you a little bit of the benefit of the doubt here of my own personal experience. By the way, this is not financial advice. And this video, of course, is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so here's the thing. So you can't get too wrapped up in the euphoria of this green candle, this great time in crypto is just going to continue to go on forever, right? You can't, not that you are, but I always like to kind of be a little bit of the voice of reason in the proverbial room. I am definitely a glass half full kind of guy, but when it comes to crypto and it comes to the market, stocks, crypto, all this, there is that saying, this too shall pass, and don't get used to something because it will change. Because here's what's going to happen. I was kind of expecting a little bit more of a fizzle out for the overall market. Hasn't happened yet, and I think what's happened is that the overriding consensus is I think that everybody, frankly, is tired of this bearish market, and it's just kind of saying, you know what, we're going to go in. We got the CPI. Inflation data report. It came in better than we were expecting, and we were expecting about an 8.7% number. We got an 8.5% number, which does speak to Chairman Powell's remarks in the last Federal Reserve meeting that they had, where they raised the basis rate 75 basis points. But he did speak to the fact that he felt that we were, quote, in the worst of it right now, and that it looks like we were going to be getting better. Okay, so bringing all this back, I think that this euphoria that you see, where Bitcoin over 24,000, Ethereum running hard up 19+% and more, as of the recording of this video, I think the euphoria you see is a couple of things. Number one, we've got inflation easing. Number two, I think that people are really, quite frankly, tired of the 7 or 8 months that we've really had of continual bear run. Okay. So wrapped into that, I think that, and then number three, I think I'm on number three. Then on number three, you've got inflation data coming in less. I think people are starting to kind of like, look at investing more, putting money back into crypto. Okay. And then number four, a little thing, the Ethereum merge. And that's partly why Ethereum's been running hard. And this overall market move up is really a result of Ethereum moving hard, and Ethereum, being up 19-20+% in a 48-hour period, because the merge, it looks like we are definitely moving forward. In fact, the date may actually be moved up to September 15th and 16th. So all of this is combining to create a pretty good positive scenario for crypto. But protect yourself, because this will change a little bit. We will have some pullback at some point in the near future again, but long term, I'm 100% bullish. I think that this thing's going to run hard. It's just a kind of a matter of how we really, or do we really get this thing kicked off, and which it would seem that we're at the beginning of that right here, right now. I'll see you. Thanks for your support of the ClearCryptos channel. By the way, in the description below, there's a link to all things ClearCryptos. Definitely check out their Discord channel, their Discord, their Discord. That's where all the social activity is, all the announcements, all the future stuff that's coming from Clear is announced there first. So if you haven't already done so, go join. Fantastic moderators over there, and good support environment. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.